Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we are taste testing the Pretzel Pete's pretzels. This is the cinnamon brown sugar. Let's go ahead, open it up, show you guys what you get. Well, they definitely look delicious. On the back here, you guys can pause the video to see some facts, nutrition facts. So the nice thing about this brand is the flavors are naturally flavored. They are peanut free, tree nut free, and sesame free. They manufacture the pretzels at their own factory where only their pretzels are made. So a fun fact for a lot of the big pretzel name companies, tons of different brand pretzels are made at that factory. But here, just their pretzels are made. Only Pennsylvania grown local wheat flour and non-GMO canola oil and malt syrup, locally sourced ingredients, allergen safe. Their pretzels are soaked, not sprayed on. Let's do a taste test. Alright guys, time for our honest taste test. Hold on. You know the difference about these? When you're eating them, they taste like real pretzels. It tastes like real cinnamon. Some of these big brand names, you kind of can taste like, oh yeah, that was you know, bulk made, maybe some fake ingredients, but not with this. This, everything tastes just real. I mean, everything just tastes like it should. I love how all the pieces are different sizes. So, for example, you can have a pretzel like this big, or pieces that big, which is pretty awesome. These are really good.